Hi everyone! This is Glaiza De Castro, and most of you know me as the competitive runner, Boss G from Running Man Philippines, or the fierce Sangre Terena from Encantadia. Pero today gusto kong i-introduce si Glaiza as a soft girl. Hindi bilang artista, kung hindi bilang butihing anak ng kanyang mga magulang. And today we're on our way to Quezon City sa aming family home. Although I have my own space na, I still go here to visit my parents. And it's always a nice feeling kasi it reminds me of my humble beginnings. Dati, nangangarap lang ako na magkaroon ng sarili naming bahay. Tapos nung na-acquire namin yung bahay na to noong 2010 through Grazilda, ang aking title role sa GMA. Sobrang saya ko kasi finally we have our own home na. Kaya po sa lahat ng mga nangangarap na magkaroon ng bahay o anything na gusto nyong pangarapin, just keep on dreaming, keep on praying, at syempre hindi mawawala dyan yung actions. Fighting. We're almost there. Nandito na tayo. So, ayun na. Bisitahin na natin si nanay at tatay. So, we're finally here in our humble abode. Sobrang saya ko kasi nakabalik ako dito. And syempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa parents ko dahil sila talaga yung tumulong sa akin at nagabay sa akin para matupad yung mga pangarap ko. And today, isa na naman pangarap ang matutupad dahil matagal ko na talagang gustong i-upgrade yung mga rooms namin na may window-type aircons at palitan ng split-type air conditioning unit. Marami kaming na-try na brands, pero si Daikin talaga yung consider namin because of the high-quality products and materials that they have. At pagdating sa installation, ang Cold and Chill Air Conditioning Feels Inc. ang ating partner dyan. And I'm very excited today dahil today nila i-install yung mga brand new aircons namin. Woohoo! Yay! Pero before that, habang inaantay natin sila, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga factors na kinonsider ko why I chose Daikin as my air conditioning brand for our family home. Unang-una, they're very energy efficient. At lahat ng Daikin split-type air conditioning unit ay may 5-star CSPF rating that's approved by DOE. So, diba? Bongga! Ay, wait lang guys, parang nandyan na yata sila. So, salubungin ko na muna. Let's go! Eto na guys, totoo na to. Nandito na po at kasama natin si Engineer Charles Kiambao from Cold and Chill Air Conditioning Feels Inc. to walk us through the process of their installation at kung ano ba yung mga factors na kinoconsider nila to come up with specific capacities na i-install po sa mga rooms namin. Sir, bakit po Daikin D Smart yung nirecommend niyo sa amin?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you muna for entrusting us sa pag-install po ng ating mga air conditioning units. We recommended you the Daikin D Smart because we believe it's one of the best investments in today's time dahil po sa talamak na init talaga dito sa Pilipinas. So, yun po, ang D Smart is one of the high-quality brands that uses Japan technology, and aside from that, it has a very reasonable price. So, marami talagang pwede pong bumili sa kanila. Aside from that po, Daikin D Smart is very energy efficient. As from the testimonies of our clients and studies abroad, na-try po talaga nila from changing from window type to Daikin D Smart, malaki po talaga yung natipid nila sa kanilang Meralco bill. So, that's why we recommended you the Daikin D Smart. And for our capacities, we consider mostly 3 things talaga for checking. First is yung ating direct heat or kung may direct sunlight po ba na tumatama dun sa ating rooms. Pangalawa po is yung how many persons will be using the rooms. Aside from that, yung ating din mga technologies or let's say computers or kung ano man na additional heat loads. And pangatlo po is yung the size of the area of the room itself. So, doon po tayo lahat nag-base. So, we believe na yung na-recommend po namin na capacity sa inyo is very satisfactory at totoong giginawin po talaga kayo sa ating aircon.
Nako, talaga. Talaga ba, sir? Excited na po ako. Thank you so much sa inyo and sa inyong team sa pag-support at paggabay sa akin. Excited na ako na talagang ginawin dahil napaka-init po talaga ng panahon ngayon. So, pwede na po ba tayo mag-install, sir?
Pwede na po.
Pwede na. Let's go!
Let's go po.
As you can see, guys, they're using high-quality materials. This is the genuine Daikin insulation pipe made of polyethylene foam, and it's 25% thicker than the market standard. It is also easier to bend and cut, which requires no brazing na mape-prevent ang unit mo sa clogging and future potential maintenance issues. Aside from high-quality materials, let's talk about the unit itself. Their indoor and outdoor unit has 3 years warranty on PCB, plus their outdoor super PCB has an all-voltage guard function that protects our unit with sudden power fluctuations na sobrang important nowadays. Lalo na sobrang unpredictable pa ng weather natin. Minsan sobrang init, minsan umuulan with thunderstorm pa. Aside from that, it has a 5 years warranty from its compressor. Talagang secure ang investment mo with Daikin aircon units. Grabe, engineer, di ba kayo nilalamig? Kasi ako nilalamig na ako. O sanay na kayo?
Hindi na nga, ma'am. Sana nga may jacket din po ako eh.
Mamaya, kuha tayo sa taas. Pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam na ma-feel itong newly installed Daikin Smart air conditioning units ko ngayon. So maraming salamat po. At excited na rin ako makita yung electric bill ko next month. Kaya, kaya talagang sa inyo ako engineer. Sa mga viewers naman po natin na gustong magpa-install din ng mga air conditioning units nila, saan po ba nila kayo mahanap, mapupuntahan, or makokontak?
So, ayun po, for all our viewers there na gusto rin ginawin katulad namin ni Miss Glaiza, you may visit us at ground floor, Valenzuela Town Center, Karuwatan, Valenzuela City. And we also have our other branch in Parada, which is Fortune Village, Parada, Valenzuela City. You may also contact us to our hotline 8292-0978 or at our Gmail, which is coldandchill@gmail.com. You may also visit our page, Daikin Valenzuela, Daikin Air Solution Shops, or Cold and Chill Air Conditioning Fills Inc.
Wow! Nako, sa Valenzuela, dyan po ako lumaki at pinanganak. Kaya talagang love na love ko ang Valenzuela. Sa mga tao po na talagang naghahanap ng aircon specialist, just contact Cold and Chill Air Conditioning Fills Inc. para sa inyong air solution needs para ma-assist nila kayo. Thank you, sir! Salamat sa inyo at sa inyong team. Salamat sa Daikin and sa Cold and Chill Air Conditioning.
Thank you rin po, ma'am, for trusting Cold and Chill Air Conditioning Fills Inc.
That's all for today, guys. Again, thank you, Cold and Chill Air Conditioning Fills Inc. and Daikin for assisting me today. And thank you for joining me. This has been Glaiza De Castro, and I love Daikin.